This video will cover the University System of Ohio Police Departments. I'm Nicholas, and this is the Law Enforcement Agency Information Channel. The University System of Ohio Police Departments is a Ohio state law enforcement agency that falls under the University System of Ohio, which falls under the Ohio Department of Greater Education. The University System of Ohio Police Departments is responsible for protecting and policing the 14 state universities and their individual campuses of Ohio. Each state university of the greater university system of Ohio has its own police department. Although, unlike the California State University system and other state university systems, the University System of Ohio is not a unified state university system, and therefore the police departments of the individual police departments of the University System of Ohio act as their own agencies, even though they technically aren't. Specific duties of the University System of Ohio police departments include patrolling and enforcing local and state laws within Ohio State universities and their individual campuses, investigating crimes taken on Ohio State universities or their campuses, working with local, state, and federal law enforcement, and much more. University System of Ohio police officers are state peace officers with general law enforcement authority. This includes the ability to do things like carry firearms, make arrests, and much more. Their jurisdiction is generally limited to state Ohio State universities and roads surrounding Ohio State universities. Although some university police departments of the University System of Ohio had mutual aid agreements with local law enforcement agencies, which would extend their jurisdiction by a little bit. Each police department of the University System of Ohio trains its own officers in its own ways. So it's hard to share specific details about their training, since each police department has different training standards. However, typically typically police officers for their police departments will train at a minimum of 20 weeks and a maximum of 30 weeks. So it's usually around 25 or 27. The University System of Ohio Police Departments proudly collaborates with fellow law enforcement agencies within its area or jurisdiction. For example, they frequently work with the Ohio State Highway Patrol, whom they share direct concurrent jurisdiction with. What I mean by that is simply that the Ohio State Highway Patrol and the University System of Ohio Police Departments are both state law enforcement agencies, with both of which have jurisdiction on state universities. However, generally, the Ohio State Highway Patrol will only assist the University System of Ohio Police Departments when there are constant protests. So, for example, they will not assist the University System of Ohio Police Departments in general campus patrols. Those duties are really mainly conducted by the university system of Ohio police departments and local law enforcement agencies whom they share mutual aid agreements with.